Mechanic A210 soldering station. Aluminum alloy material, compact body, fast heat dissipation. Integrated heating core, fast heating in 2 seconds. Support hot plugging, simple and efficient replacement. Five gears, tap to switch quickly. When heating, long press any key to accurately adjust the temperature. In power on state, press the up/down key at the same time for temperature calibration, plus or minus 80 degrees adjustment. When shutting down, press the up/down key at the same time and then start up. You can set the sleep time, the unit is second. Off state, press up or down key to switch, Fahrenheit/Celsius.